Welcome to the second Auto Tech Showcase, Innovation on the Road, here in Washington, D.C. We are so excited to see around us technology leadership, automotive manufacturers, suppliers, tech companies, all innovators to create cleaner, safer, and smarter automotive technology.
This is innovation. That is a CV2X transceiver, a little radio that we put on bikes. Bike OEMs are interested in the bike industry. The idea is for cars to have something to talk to and listen to on day one that provides safety.
So everything that's connected vehicle technology, we've shrunk into this form factor. But really the show is in this Audi.
I'm getting indication that the bicycle is coming from the right side, and now you see it. And as he gets closer, it'll turn into an orange pop-up alert with an audible sound.
Volvo has this well-earned safety reputation. You've really incorporated this sensing capability into the design of the car. We have LiDAR, which is a form of safety sensing. You've got cameras and radar as well, so basically 3 different sensing capabilities in the vehicle.
The DADS technology is a program to prevent alcohol-impaired driving. There's a sensor behind the steering wheel that uses breath. It would show as red molecules, and the system would detect that I am impaired. You can start the car, but you cannot put it into drive.
This light bar improves trust in the autonomous system. We can actually use the seatbelt haptically, different levels of pulses and forces.
So this is Magna's mirror and integrated driver and occupancy monitoring system.
Our sensor can actually detect humans as they're sitting in the car, detecting child presence in the backseat, and even the trunk as well.
We just drove this McLaren in both electric mode as well as in ICE mode.
Yes.
Right? Extraordinary performance, incredible handling. I can only imagine what it's like on a track.
Working with Wallbox, we're actually able to provide 12 kilowatts of power back to the home.
Thankfully, with ReadyConnect, I have a traffic light countdown that tells me in seconds how much longer that light is going to remain red.
Many vehicles have a blind spot radar on the rear side of the vehicle. We've repositioned it to the back and enable lane change collision mitigation.
I've enjoyed my experience with the Alliance, and I expect that to continue. This is our second year at the Auto Tech Showcase.
It's a wonderful opportunity to engage with policymakers and show them the great work that our engineers are doing here in the USA.
We've gotten great access with regulations, keeping up to date with state bills, congressional traction as well.
It's a great place to have really meaningful, tough, enlightening conversations about moving the U.S. policy space forward around automotive technology.
Cleaner, safer, and smarter technology in the same vehicle. It's a great opportunity for policymakers and innovators to get together to talk about how we can get these life-saving technologies on the road today.